Doug is cutting something down in the trenches. A little bit at a time. We're cutting the rest of the gas pipe. He loves to dig, I think. Steve, why did you turn around?
Hey?
Why did you turn around when he was cutting?
So I didn't have to smell it.
Oh, I thought it was because the sparks.
No, they shoot backwards. Yeah, they shoot at me.
That's good or bad?
Oh, I ain't no bitch. Yeah, like we get a little wider and give me more space. That's where it sucks. I can't, I'd have to angle it to cut it, but eventually it just seizes up on me. I won't get all the way through. That's what happened on those ones. And I saw it. Can you turn the guard to try and
Right now we're headed back to the rest of the guys at the other side of the street. At the other end. Sounds like there's some hollering, so I'm gonna maybe shut it down for now. Corey's coming to get a bottle of water.
Sometimes.
Huh?
Sometimes it works in the trenches.
Corey's getting a bottle of water. What's wrong? Is there no water? Am I good here?
Yep.
Or too close? Right now we're digging up some more of the hole so we can put more pipes in. Waiting for the... I don't know what we're waiting for because the dump truck's right there. We're filling up the dump truck. Right now we are just filling in the hole with the bulldozer. That's what we're doing right now. And we're connecting our water main. Yeah, I'm filling in the hole at the minute. Right now we are... What are we doing, Justin?
Waiting for the next cut, Justin.
Next cut for what? Paycheck?
Yeah. Main water main, we're going to the next service.
Where's that?
Where Corey is.
What are you doing?
Waiting.
For what? Your wife?
Yes. Fuck yeah. You say some silly things.
It makes you laugh though, doesn't it? The excavator is leaving for a few minutes. Would you rather be at home
I'd rather be at home.
than get paid? But we're using the saw pretty soon, I think, in the trench. I don't know if you even call that a trench anymore or not. Huh? It is still a trench. Did we lay all these pipes? Did we lay these pipes?
Yeah.
And why are we cutting them up? I don't know what Cole's doing, but I think he's getting a stone or something. I know he's getting something, but I don't know what. We are cutting this pipe for the water main. I think we should do a time lapse of cutting this pipe. Just so you know, these are the old gas pipes, not the new ones. Yahoo! We just got done cutting that piece of metal, so the old gas pipe is now gone. That stinks.
Right there.
That stinks. Holy. The excavator, I think, is going to do the rest.
Probably, there it is. Want me to get that out of there, cut it, or?
Wow. Wow, how's this?
There you go, yeah, through, yeah, forward. Sandwiches, yeah.
What are we doing?
Is that brother?
What are we doing?
What do you mean?
What's the gas line?
What's that?
We getting rid of the gas? Are we getting rid of the gas line or what?
What's that?
We getting rid of the gas? Or,
Oh, this is old.
so we getting rid of it?
Yeah, good, cut it out.
So what's it doing in there?
What's that?
What's it doing in there then?
What's that?
What's it doing in there?
What's an old one?
Why isn't it being cut out though?
Why does it need to be?
No, I said why hasn't it been?
Oh, because we just ran the new one next to it. Nobody had to do work here.
Not this time?
No, this time we did, so it's easier to take it out of the way.
Pardon?
I said this time we had to do work, so it's easier to take it out of the way.
What are you cutting up? A gas pipe. We're cutting the gas pipe to get rid of it. Hey.
Hey, Hazard.
Hey. Have you watched any of my videos lately, Jason?
No. I have not checked it.
Are you gonna? We are cutting one of many gas pipes on the street right now. It's taking us a while to get through to the pipe. This is the old gas pipe. What are you doing this for? But you need gas to hook up the water service?
Yeah.
Really? You need gas for the water service?
I didn't hear you. What you asked?
You need gas for the water service?
No, but you need to locate it so when he digs back here to get it, we don't rip out the gas and end up paying a shit ton of money to get it fixed.
Have you ever did it?
Yep. Not me personally, but yes, it has been happening. Just slows everything down, right? Can't do no work until it gets fixed.
Why does your vest say 2 meters?
What's that?
Why does your vest say 2 meters? None of the other guys do.
Oh, is that old, the old gas pipe there? You want me to cut it? Did you feel that? You were just on it.
So what happens if you hit the gas pipe?
You want to expose the gas? Yeah, found our copper.
How do you know which one's old and which one's new?
The yellow, and then this one's brown.
What happens if you hit it? What happens if you hit it? Why'd you hit the bucket? I said, why did you hit the bucket?
Why did I hit it?
Like you just tapped it. And you left it.
Yeah, just because.
What happens if you hit it?
Hit what?
The gas line.
I told you it could break.
And explode?
No. But everything will have to stop.
Like the whole site? Can that hurt a lot of people if it explodes?